Okay, real life example 1 for this. Find all the missing angles given this diagram. So I can see on this diagram that there are 4 missing angles, and I'm just going to chart that over to the side so I know that I find all of them. So the measure of angle 1, the measure of angle 2, the measure of angle 3, and the measure of angle 4 also. All right, 4 angles that I'm looking for. All right, and I can see that I have 3 exterior angles from this diagram here, the 92, the 123, and the 4. So, thinking about what I know about exterior angles and the fact that exterior angles are equal to the sum of the remote 2. So your exterior, EXT, is equal to the sum of the remote 2. So, how can we figure this out? I also know that these have adjacent or supplementary relationships here. They form a line. They're supplementary. They form a line. So that means that the measure of angle 2 can be found by taking 180 and minusing that 123, because supplementary, remember, means add to 180. So 180 minus 123 is going to give me 57. So the measure of angle 2 is 57 degrees. And I'm going to put that right into my diagram. Actually, let's back it up so it's not covering that. Okay. So now I've got another supplementary relationship up here. This is also supplementary. So I can find the measure of angle 1 by taking that 180, minusing the 92, and getting 180 minus 92 is 88 degrees. So now I know that angle 1 is 88 degrees. Okay, well, I have 2 different options here of what I can do. I could use the fact that I know the 3 interior angles add together to equal 180 to find 3. Or I can use the fact that I know that with this 4th exterior angle out here, it's going to be equal to the sum of the 2 away from it, or the 2 opposite from it, which would be angle 1 and angle 2, right? Those 2 angles are opposite. So I'm going to use that exterior angle piece. So the measure of angle 4 is equal to the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2. And this is for angle 4. So angle 4 is equal to 88 plus 57, which is going to give me 145. So the measure of angle 4 is 145 degrees. And so now for my angle 3, I've got 2 options as to how to find that. I can use the supplementary relationship right here, or I can use the 3 angles add to 180 kind of thing. Let's just do the supplementary one because that seems to be less math. Minus the 145, and either way you will get the same answer. And that ends up with the 3rd angle being 35 degrees. Boom. So we're just trying to take all those new properties and all those things that we're learning and apply them to all different kinds of situations here.